Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there lived a mischievous monkey named Bongo. Bongo loved to play pranks on his animal friends and swing from tree to tree. One day, as Bongo was swinging through the branches, he saw a crocodile named Charlie sunbathing on a rock by the river. Bongo thought it would be fun to play a prank on Charlie. Bongo swung down from the tree and landed right next to Charlie. "Hi, Charlie. What are you doing here?" asked Bongo with a cheeky grin. Charlie was surprised to see the monkey, but he replied politely, "Hello, Bongo. I'm just enjoying the sunshine." Bongo started to laugh and said, "Charlie, you're such a silly crocodile. Don't you know that crocodiles can't sunbathe? You're going to dry up and turn into a rock." Charlie was confused and worried. He had never heard of such a thing before. "Is that true, Bongo?" he asked. Bongo continued to laugh and said, "Of course not. I was just playing a prank on you, silly crocodile." Charlie was relieved but also felt a little foolish. However, he couldn't help but admire Bongo's sense of humor. From that day on, Charlie and Bongo became good friends. Bongo would often swing by the river to visit Charlie and they would chat and laugh together. One day, Charlie told Bongo that he wanted to take him for a ride on his back down the river. Bongo was excited and agreed to the adventure. As they were riding along, Charlie suddenly dove underwater and started swimming faster and faster. Bongo became frightened and clung tightly to Charlie's back. When they finally reached the shore, Bongo asked Charlie why he had swum so fast. Charlie replied, "I'm sorry, Bongo. I was planning to eat you for dinner, but I couldn't bear to do it because you're such a good friend." Bongo was shocked and angry. "How could you even think of doing that, Charlie? That's not what friends do." Charlie felt ashamed and apologized to Bongo. From that day on, Charlie promised to never think of harming his friends again. Bongo forgave Charlie, and they continued to be good friends, playing pranks and having fun in the forest together. And so, the monkey and crocodile learned a valuable lesson about true friendship, that it is based on trust, kindness, and respect, and that friends should never harm each other.